Invincible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's had a great night. We're ready for a great day. Good morning, Reggie. Good morning, Passing Props. How are you both today? Looks like we had a dip and then a pop here on the indices. Low of the overnight 604 on ES up to 60.25 on NQ on ES. Whatever I'm trying to say. 21 points in range. I'm not awake. Dipped down to 21.090 on NQ. Looks like the high 190. Hey, I could do that math. That's 100 points. I'm doing all right. Thank you. Kappa. Did I not move my yellow lines today? I forgot to move my yellow lines today. Big drop on copper. 560 ticks. Ultra bond. Where are my yellow lines? Wow, ultra bond totally outside. Think about a little over a point in range there. Gold. Wow, gold continues its massive drop. It's now dropped a lot. It's like 45 points overnight is the range. I was up and down yesterday because it was 8 hours and I was up real big in pre-market and the first couple trades after the bell, and then I gave it all back and I was red for a while, and then I ended up finishing the day at green 380. Crude looks like about 120 ticks in range. Natural gas popping up. And Bitcoin sitting at 91.3. It hit, looks like a little over 93K yesterday. So that's why you sit stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take. Nice little pop up there. Yeah. I don't consider yesterday that big of a victory because at one point I was up almost $1,000 and I gave that all back and went red. And I only ended up green thanks to the last trade of the day. Let's turn back time to I wasn't even sure I was going to take another trade, and we had this massive dip down right here, and literally I entered the trade 3 minutes before 4 o'clock. I entered it at 131 and ran it to 151 for a 20-point win on one full mini contract, which is what got me to green to finish the day. So I took 29 trades, and it was the last trade that got me to green. Don't know why this is here. Seems to be something that's on my chart, and I can't get rid of it. Don't know. Noticed it yesterday. It's kind of annoying. Guess it'll move up here. I have not, Reggie. I have 6 funded accounts right now, but no, I have not gotten the payouts. Five funded accounts with topstep, one with Apex. Yeah, I have one with Apex. Had it for about a year now. But honestly, when Apex was going through all of its problems, I more or less stopped trading it for a while until I saw what was going on. Morning Crypt. Oh no, I've never gotten one with Apex. No, no, I don't think they're going the way of FTT at all. I regularly talk with Mark Skelton, the co-founder of Apex. Uh, they're not going the way of FTT. I take it you're gonna get tickets, Crypt? I mean, one guy in my Discord just got approved for a 40K payout, and a friend of his got approved for um, a 55K with Apex. And Apex is bringing out straight to fund it sometime soon. Chicago would soon seem to be closest, Crypticon. I'm like 3 hours from Chicago. I'm closer to St. Louis than I am Chicago. You're welcome to say hi anytime, Crypt. Yeah, Perdia is definitely a good one. Profit trade, I'm a little concerned about. Big old purple candle there. By the way, we have PPI coming up in 20 minutes, and we also have unemployment claims. So that's going to set the market on fire. We have a Fed speaker at 9 o'clock, a Fed speaker at 10 o'clock, and natural gas inventories at 10:30. Crude oil inventories at 11. I did not like the answer I was given when I asked about a path to live with profit trade. This is what, real quick, I'll read. I'd sent in asking about the path to live, and I'll read you the reply real quick. One sec. Hello, Ox. Thank you for reaching out with your concerns, and I completely understand where you're coming from. Regarding the rumored CME regulations, as it stands, these remain just that, rumors. I believe they are likely to stay in the speculative stage for quite some time, and we don't expect any immediate impact on our operations. As for prop firms claiming a path to live, I'll be interested in knowing if any traders have actually transitioned to live accounts and can confirm their experience, and then they have to see concrete examples of this for ourselves. If it does indeed happen, that's a positive outcome for those traders. But here's my personal take as someone who has founded two prop firms. At Profit Trade, we absolutely have the ambition to offer traders a path to live accounts, but the decision requires extensive data and a proven track record. It's not realistic to place real funds in the hands of someone who has merely completed an evaluation. For Profit Trade, we envision such a transition starting only after a minimum of 4 consistent payouts, along with other conditions that demonstrate reliability and skill. Being based in the UAE does give us certain advantages in terms of operational flexibility, making it feasible to set up live accounts when the time is right. However, it is not a matter of logistics or structure. It's a question of building trust between the trader and the prop firm. Thank you for understanding our perspective, and please feel free to share this insight with your community. Best regards. I don't know how to pronounce his name. But the point of that is, okay, so they only have DX feed right now. DX feed does not have a live option. So they would have to add Rhythmic or Tradovate or Project X or somebody in order to even offer a live account. And it doesn't sound like they're in any hurry to do that. They offer 24, you can copy trade 24 accounts, which is more than FTT. And and they don't seem to be ready in case they get somebody like a Benji or another big trader that can take them for $60,000 in a month from coffee trading. So I'm going to be putting warning labels on any advertising for firms that do not have a path to live. I'm still going to let people make their own decisions, at least until I hear that if I blacklist companies once I don't think they're going to get paid out. That's otherwise I let people make their own decisions, but with the proper information to make those decisions. NJ, yes, they do. So it's an $85 setup fee right now for Phidias. Oh yeah, that's right. I'm supposed to be supposed to be doing Phidias today. Thank you for that reminder, NJ. I like Phoenix. I like Leon. He seems like a good guy. Their goal is to get people live. Um, so yeah, Phoenix has made it into my top 10 now. The link for them and the code is in the video description down below here. NJ, I like where Phidias is. They're nice people to work with. I do need to figure out whether or not they have a path to live or not. I believe that they do, but I need to confirm it. We will be getting confirmations on every prop I plan on doing a video about this really soon, but let me just quickly show you what I'm planning here. I have, of course, it goes over there. Give me 1 second. Ah, yeah. So, like, firms that don't, any advertising that I do with, uh, various firms that don't have a known path to live will get this big old warning label on it. Caution, no known path to live. Yeah, it's code MOTNJ. And then I have warning labels, and this one's I'm gonna change this. This is a little too warny. Oh, I didn't realize I was showing my whole hard drive. New firm alerts, and I also have seals for the like this is for the MOT certified top 10 firm. This will be going on all the advertising going forward. Morning, Robin. Good to see you. Morning, Rad. Haven't seen you in a while. How have you been? Hey, Shark. I spend about 12, at least 12 hours a day on this stuff. Now, that's not straight 12 because I'm almost 90% sure I have undiagnosed ADD. So I'm constantly switching between 10 different things at a time. But yeah, most of my ambitions, I have, and I have like literally 23 projects that I have backed up that need worked on. Hey, Chris, I should have taken that purple. I didn't. Let's see where it goes. News in about 11 minutes. All right, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, appreciate if you'll gore that like button as we head into PPI. Yeah, looks like that purple candle isn't working out so good. Yeah, they are. Yep. Now the purple candle would have worked nicely. It's still kind of wonky. Clearing. Nice. It's almost trading ES. In case y'all haven't heard, the futures desk is launching very soon. Jehu. And hello, 100 a lot. I probably should know who Jay is, but right now my brain is just a bit fried. Okay. So what I hate, and good morning, Speed Racer. What I hate is the fact that when they do denials, they don't put an exact reason. Yeah, the whole FTT situation really, really sucks. Fast track trading, Reggie. It's the first major failure of a futures prop firm. But that's too vague. Yeah, I know that they say that, but they need to actually point out the examples of when it happened, in my opinion. You can't just say that and people, especially if someone's taken, 100 trades or whatever, and they're trying to figure out which trade or trades triggered the denial. I don't think it. I okay. It was never expressed to me that it would notify you. Matter of fact, I mean, it was told to me that that 30% rule. If you only broke it once here and there, it wasn't even going to matter. So it sounded. I mean, based on that, if people are getting denied, it should be that they're breaking it very often. But I'm not saying that people are. I'm just saying that was the way it was supposed to be working. Like I read what Crypticon popping up here. 5 minutes till PPI. Two things coming out of Bulenox. One, if anyone knows the name Live Mike Trader, he's a guy who took 1.3 million from Apex last year around this time. He got denied for a payout. Bulenox says he was using some sort of illegal algo. He claims he was not. They owe him about 400K. He made 100K in one day. So that's one thing. The other thing is they made some rule changes No more than 20% flip days allowed, or else deny your payout. And um, they say that algos aren't allowed. It's sim funded. After 1.3 million, then we're going to move into the live account. Morning, G-Man. I agree, Shark. And that's why we are marking certified paths to live and all that. I mean, Apex does have live options. They just, for whatever reason, not use them. I mean, they do put people on live occasionally. And supposedly it's going to happen more often, but I'm not sure I've seen it yet. And we are 15 seconds. Big dip and bounce. Not really that big. 13 points down. Not. This isn't a mind-blowing candle yet. Well, now we're dropping 20 points down. PPI 2.4, they forecast 2.3, so it's hot, came in hotter than expected. Every single number is hotter than expected by 0.1. Jobless claims came in right around, just a little under, so. But whoosh. Now we're whooshing. Took a long here to try and play this bounce. Not working. Was for a second. It's chasing me down now. Morning, John. How are you? Here comes. Maybe. That's going to stop me out here. Maybe. That's stop. Well, it should stop me out. Whoa. Okay. It didn't show the stop out until like 4 points after, but it did stop me out where I had my stop. Got scared there for a minute. Oh, I should have just got out in the first red candle instead of taking it all the way down. I just took a loss on trying to play that bounce. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to try to play the next bounce. Because if at first you don't succeed, be stupid enough to try again. Great job, John. Great job. Oh, there we are. Trying again. Let's see where we go. I mean, at 124, shooting for the 9 EMA at 132. There's 132. Do I be greedy and try for more? Shouldn't have been greedy. It's pulling back. 9 EMA, I swear. More than flat. Moving my stop to break even +1. See if it can get up to the 20 EMA, which is at 150. Is it 150? 144, sorry. There's 138. There we go. 139. Oh, pulling back. I'm out there. So we got about 8 points there. Nice win. Got excuse me. Some of it back that I lost. Yeah, I should have waited for the colored candle instead of this one. That usually if I have a green candle, it's that's totally outside the bands. It works. My mistake really there was taking the full stop instead of just getting out after that first red candle. Then I would have only been down like 5 points. But 100 lot? Do you actually trade 100 lots? Because that's wait for it, wait for it, a lot. Sorry. Still going, so I could have went for the shit. I could have stayed in and went for the 20 EMA. I'm gonna get my various platforms set up to start trading 10 micros, so I can cut out at 5 and then try and let 5 run. You can see this been a great run. I was in around 124. It's gone almost 30 points. touches that 200 EMA and then bounced off of it pretty sharply. About 45 minutes till the bell. Everybody doing so far? Wow, 27 people here. Thank you all for being here. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome. Scoring that like button is also welcome if you feel like it, if you're enjoying the stream. Hard to believe it's only 2 weeks till Thanksgiving already. That doesn't sound like a good day, passing props. Popping right back up. Just kind of watching it sit on the EMAs. Where does it want to go? So our initial move was down. It's popping back up off of PPI. Usually, lately, I shouldn't say usually, lately, a hot inflation number means the market wants to move up because it believes the Fed will want to continue to drop interest rates, etc. So be interested to see. Did rebound pretty quickly, hasn't regained the entire move down. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. choppy right now. What's everything else doing? Gold trying to recover from that huge drop overnight. Ultra bond pulling back. Copper, nice recovery. Crude oil, new high day. Natural gas looks disgusting. Dropping, popping. I should have taken that purple right there. It was a slow grind, but I could have got. Oh wow, not a well. About 8 points. Slowly grinding down. So PPI is not a big factor so far. Let's see where it goes. Couple minutes to the top of the hour. It's kind of hanging here at 134. Hourly chart really doesn't tell us anything. It's a choppy hourly chart too. Plopping up, bounce off the bands. Everybody got quiet all at once. No, they were dying already. Trust me. And I wish I had pulled out. I mean, they were not paying him out. They weren't. They were already starting to fall behind on affiliate payouts, regular payouts. They ran the company into the ground. No risk management. CFT hadn't seen an affiliate. I mean, when when he turned against them, I believe it was what late, like mid September, late September. It was right around. It was right after Sage had joined, and there have been no affiliate payouts since June. So that was like 3 months. Oh, they finally paid him out because of the but he had to do what he did in order to finally get paid out. He had been waiting 3 months. Normally, every company pays every month. I mean, if you he hit a medium, yeah, hit a minimum threshold, which obviously CFT always hits the minimum threshold. So now they were in trouble way before CFT did anything. And I mean, he and I had private discussions about dropping them before that. Not even because of the affiliate payouts, because just because of the way Scott and the rest of the C suite treated people. Going down to 128. No, it's not. I mean, if you're gonna say that, then you should say the same thing about me, because I also promoted. I mean, he wasn't trying to. He was just trying to. I mean, no one knew at that time that Fast Track was in the trouble it was in. So you can't blame the affiliates for doing what they did. Now I do the ones that once it became obvious, the ones that went down with the ship basically, and we're still promoting to the bitter end. There you could put some blame, but at the time at the time CFT raised the stink, you know, payouts on to traders were not far behind, and they were still saying it was because of the rhythmic crash. So no, it wasn't. It wasn't like that at all. Morning, RJ. Well, I got paid too. So I mean, if you're gonna have CFT hate, then you should have Ox hate too, because I got paid all but $600 that they owe me as an affiliate. How you doing today, RJ? Recovered from yesterday? Yeah. But yet we both nailed great trades at the end. That was fun. Yeah, that's pretty amazing, RJ. Yeah, I mean, I went through why FTT failed in a video. Let me get that video in case anyone hasn't watched it. Here's the video. I go through I go through pretty detail in my opinion of why FTT failed. And it's not was not because of FUD, as Scott kept trying to make it sound like. Scott wanted to try, and I always, a lot of people think Scott, started the firm to be a scam from the start. It's not, and I don't believe that. I believe that he wanted to be the absolute best. So he put in rules that were the absolute best for the trader. And I have always said, and, I've said this for 2 years whenever people complain about a certain rule of a prop firm or whatever. When you find the perfect prop firm that's perfect for the trader with almost no rules, everything seems really good, that's the one that's going to fail first. And I believe that's what happened with Fast Track. He wanted to be number one. He wanted to prove that everybody, Apex and all that he invited all the people that were getting banned by Apex for scheming and scamming there, and that he got, his own medicine because they ran up huge payouts. So he was destined to fail from the start based on his payout rules. RJ, when you're in a sim funded account, because most of these companies are running you in a sim funded, at least to start, where your orders aren't hitting the live market, and sim funded can be manipulated at times and in various ways. You can get unrealistic fills. Like right now, if I took 35 contracts on NQ in a sim funded account, it would move the market. But if it was a live account, it would move the market. So you get filled 35 NQ contracts at the exact same price or within a tick, especially during slow times. Whereas that wouldn't be able to be duplicated in a live market. And there's other things too. Like when you remember, we talked about RJ, we talked about copy trading yesterday. So if you have someone that's copy trading 20 accounts on a sim funded, let's say they're doing just 5 contracts each, that's 100 contracts. And they're all going to get filled at the same price. And if you're using something that's not, that's like not moving as fast as like NQ is, that can be a major advantage. Just for fun, I once in a practice account on NinjaTrader, I put in 100,000 contracts on a market order, and I watched it as it filled that market order within a point or two of where I entered the order. It took 3 minutes or so. You would think that they would figure out a better way to do sim, but so far it doesn't seem like that is. Sitting here at 00, I'm sorry, at 121, 136. I was there counting down the seconds. What am I doing? We have about 17 minutes till the bell. Nice pop. Morning, USC. How are you? Wait, he stole your template, John? Can you stop him in any way from doing that? How much is he selling it for? You should start selling it now and undercut him. People like that really suck. See, if I was an admin of the group like of that, I would kick him out. Kind of chopping around 137. Nothing real exciting right now. Doing pretty good, USC. Done any cooking, USC, or gotten any shoes? USC keeps pop-up ads on, hoping to see shoes. Push back down here a little bit. We are about 11 minutes till the bell. Still hanging here. Nothing much going on. Nothing much. Hopefully the bell will bring some movement. Good morning, Ace. So you can't hear me, Ace? Pushing down. The wrench are just people that I've promoted to mod. It's just not that this channel really needs mods, but every now and then there's a person with a problem. But it's just an honor for people that have been here and have supported the community for a while. Do I game at all? No, not really. Only game I have ever really got majorly into, and everyone laughs at me for this, is RuneScape. I play a couple little mobile games, but that's it. Can you hear me now, Ace? Did your package arrive yesterday? Uh-oh. Because the tracking says it did. This was delivered in the mailbox at November 13th at 1:37 p.m. You don't need to do that, Ace. I was just wondering. I know the postal service messes up a lot, so you don't have to leave. I didn't mean to chase him away. Watch him slip and fall or something, going in the mailbox, and it's all gonna be my fault. 5 minutes to go. Slightly down on the day. We'll see if we can get that back here after the bell. Morning. How are you doing today, Assad? uh, Approaching the bell. We're at 121. What's our low a day? Just tell you. Down at 0.90. That's right. Still exactly 100-point range. pop up here a couple minutes before the bell. You really like them, Ace? I realize, I mean, it's probably not something you actually want to hang up, but I thought it'd be a cool little keepsake. After we calm down from the bell, I'll show everyone what I sent Ace. The Mr. and Mrs. Ace one took me a while to get the right picture, but the other one actually I'm surprised it only took 2 tries. I thought for sure the exercise ball was going to throw off the AI. I will show after the bell, guys. I don't want to. I'll wait until we're. Give me like 15 minutes or so. Wow, explodes at the bell. Oh, ouch. Ouch, 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 passing props. A nice pop up and back down. Pulls down, back up. Really? Did you get back to green or just a respectable red? Wow, that's a nice recovery. Oops, sorry about that. I was distracted for a minute. I have an interview with TikTok Trader right after the stream today, so talking to him about the final setup for that. Nice rise. Okay, so while NQ rises, so you're not all in suspense. Here's what I sent to Ace. These are the mock-ups, so just so you could see him better. I sent him two Christmas ornaments that I made. This one, Mr. and Mrs. Ace with a Christmassy background. Anything you see shaded wasn't part of the ornament. It's a heart-shaped ornament, and that's what it looked like. And then also Ace sits on an exercise ball at his computer. So I had this nice graphic made by AI of that with an Ace Trades nice round ornament. Yeah, those. That's what I sent Ace. Morning, Bison. How are you? And we're pulling back. And Ace is short of yes. Thank you, Jay. Yeah, AI is cool, and it's really cool to be able to make the ornaments and all that. So they were choppy. Pulling down. This is a good entry right here. I should have taken this. That was a nice setup. Falling. It's fallen 50 points from that 174 high. There's a bounce. Did you get anything from it, Ace? Big drop here. Excellent, Ace. Wow, just free falling. This is a whoosh. That's even an RJ certified whoosh. I'm glad you like him, Ace. I wasn't sure if it was going to come off as goofy, whimsical, or cool. I still have the template. I can make more. Uh, uh, yeah, I was shocked at how well that came out. I was like, there was something it only took, like I said, it only took 2 tries. There was something I did not like about the first one, so I had to do it again. And the second one was like, yeah, that works. And it even put the wording at the right spot for Ace Trades. It was like, Pushing down. Yep, about ready to hit low day. It just, matter of fact, it just made a new low day. Let's see if it bounces here, if it continues going. Dow's down big. ES down big. Gold's kind of choppy. Hey, Crypticon. You missed the unveiling of the two ornaments I sent to Ace, and you missed an absolute killer short. Still falling. Nice job, John. Pushing down. So where was yesterday's lows? Yesterday low was 0.56, so we're not far away from yesterday low. Yesterday's gone. Yesterday. Oh, sorry. Down to 0.70. 0.64. China bounce. I know some people that have theirs up already. I was thinking about decorating the stream this weekend, but I think I'll wait till next weekend. But I'm gonna start watching Hallmark Christmas movies this weekend. Don't judge me. Yeah. Grinding back up here. Got down to 64, popping back up to over 100. So that's a quick pop back up. Wow, that was actually a pretty quick 50 points right there. And they film all those movies in like 2 to 3 weeks. The North Pole. So we pull back here. Wait, seriously, RJ? I was trying to figure out if that was a real movie or not because I couldn't remember it. Oh, if you lied to us, you just lied to a lot of people. We all believed you. Pull it down. Back down to under 100. Can't decide which way it wants to go. Of course, Hallmark isn't the only thing I watch. I still watch Rudolph and Frosty. How else would I remember to continue saying silver and gold, silver and gold? See you tomorrow, Chris. Have a great day. Wait a minute, RJ, you're still trading NQ even though you're not on stream? Blue candle here. Where's my chart? There it is. Yep, nice moves. He's got moves like Jagger. Moves like Jagger. Yep, blue candle went away. Oh, this is ugly choppy. Top of the hour here in just 30 seconds. We have a Fed speaker speaking, but he's not saying anything much, I guess. Actually, Barkin was supposed to start barking at the top of the last hour. Now he's talking now. We have another Fed speaker scheduled to speak now. Feel like it wants to go up, but yet I don't know. Mighty Ox Trading the musical. Is this a real life or is this just fantasy? Caught in the wind. Escape from reality. Open your eyes. Look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy. I get no sympathy 'cause it's easy come, easy go. Sorry, folks. I do break into song occasionally. Sometimes I'll change them to trading lyrics. I've had a couple people tell me that they wish I would stop, that it comes across as corny and unprofessional. Like here, this prompts me to sing, My mama told me we're gonna chop around. A nice uptrend will get me to break into the Jefferson's theme song. You know, we're moving on up. Probably because I was singing crypt. It would probably be better if I was a better singer, you know. But I could have done the entire Bohemian Rhapsody. I can also do old school gangster rap. American Idol, here it come. Oh, hold on. I'm sorry, John. I was singing. Must have a path to fund the case. Which platform is the best path to fund it? Best path to fund it. My funded futures would be my number one. Tradify is good. The futures desk is launching here soon. They're wonderful. They're going to be wonderful. Um, Perdia and futures desk is going to be algo friendly to the point that they have a quant that'll actually help you. If you're struggling with your algo, they'll help you refine it. And Crypticon Sir Mix-a-Lot was actually the first thing I sang on stream. I changed the lyrics to I changed it to something trading. I like big I like big moves and I cannot lie. These other traders can't deny. When NQ pops up, and I don't remember where I went with that after that, but yeah, I'm gonna take a stop here. Blue candle's not working for me. It should have waited till it got above the 20. Yeah, Futures Desk is run by the guy that did make Blue Sky good before he left. I consider him a personal friend. He's a big member of my Discord. I've known about the project for months, like since almost since he first started it, building it. Like as soon as it launches, and it's going to launch in the next day or two, it's going to be in my top 5, top 3 probably. They allow anything that as long as it's allowed by the CME and as long as it's allowed by the brokerage. Good web passing props. Crypticon, no, that one I don't know that one. Big candle here. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way. Don't take a short tonight. It wouldn't go right. I see NQ on the rise. Took a long here. It was doing much better until I started singing. And at '08, I should have taken it off there at 10 points. I'm an idiot. Now it's back to my entry. And stop that. That was just dumb trade management. Dumb, dumb, dumb. I don't think anyone's ever said that to me before, Jay, but thank you. If anyone's new that's joining in, I promise I don't normally sing this much. Hanging right around 21,100. Well, we moved up a little bit, pulled back. Let's try it again, folks. Maybe not. This is a big candle, 14 points. So if I had put my stop below this candle, which would have been a 25-point stop, and I wouldn't have liked that, I would have never got stopped out. I should have went in with micros, so I could put my stop wider. We're going to double top here, or we're going to try and push up through. Still struggling. Hanging right around 100 here. 0.94. Where are we going? I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Oh, there's a whoosh. Pushing down. Big fall. Is that a new low day? That's a new low day, folks. Bounces. Watching. Thought about going long off that candle. I just wasn't feeling it. Absolutely, Ace. Have yourself a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Hits that 9 EMA, pulls right back. Awesome, Crypt. Have a great day. I take it Uzi and Seth agree with one another on most things. I don't know who Uzi is, so we're long off that blue candle. Probably shouldn't be because it didn't break the 9 EMA, but we'll try it. Popping up, it's above the 9. Up, it was. Oh, ouch. Rejection. Come on, come on, come on. Get up there. Yes. Target hit. Boom. That was 8.5 points. If anyone hasn't gored that like button for me yet, I'd appreciate if you did. Got about a half an hour left on the stream. Thank you, USC. RJ. Nice move up. Wish I was still in. Hey, uppers. Starting Monday, as long as I get it set up over the weekend, I'm gonna try and start doing 10 micros, so 5 and 5, and hopefully that'll work up to eventually doing 10 minis. No, I always tell myself that I trail it. So let's use this. You know, trail it there, and move it to there, and then move it to there, and then move it to there. And now here, I wouldn't like give back the entire 17, but after that first red candle, that'd be a good point to get out or whatever. And that would have been, in at 66, out at say 97. That would have been 31 points. Actually, I'm doing. I'm not spending money on Lambos or private jets, but I am doing a getting a new computer built that's going to be like extremely high end. Nice pullback. About a little less than 30 minutes in the stream. Natural gas has had its inventories. Let's see if it did anything. It's all wonky. We shall see. See if it throws its price in the air. Yeah, I'm excited about that computer build. Nice move up. Back up to 21,100. Can it break through?
Well, big breakthrough up to 115 will continue to rise. How's everyone doing? Red, green, or somewhere in between? Pulls back down to 100. 9 EMA is sitting right at 21 100. Every day, churn, churn, churn. Still trying to rise up. Back down to the 9, but not breaking it. Just trying to pop off the 9. Didn't give me a blue. It's still kind of choppy here. Nice, RJ. Struggling here around 115. Up to 118. Well, there's a pop. Up to 130. Broke through the 200 EMA. Pulls back though after hitting 130. It's a quick and dirty pullback there. Those of you who trade crude oil, remember you have inventories in 15 minutes. It's a day late this week because of the holiday. Oops. I'm sorry, I was muted, guys. I didn't realize it. I apologize. Not really doing anything exciting here. USC, are you green today? Yeah, guys, if you ever hear me quiet for more than like a minute, I probably forgot I was muted. I often mute because of some background noise here, and I sometimes forget that I did it. So say something. Still can't break through this level. Whips back down. It's like I'm gonna regret not taking that one. With 5 minutes to go, how's everybody doing? Yeah, I could have got 10, it looks like. More than 10. Ooh, yeah, that would have worked swimmingly. Maybe try to bounce here a little bit. Hey guys, I'm gonna call it here a minute or two early. I have an interview scheduled with the CFO at NinjaTrader here in 15 minutes, so I need to get my software and everything set up for that. So I do thank everyone for joining me today. Hope everyone have a great rest of your day, and we'll be back here tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Thank you for being here, USC. We'll see you all tomorrow.